What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. In today's video, we are going to sow some beans because it's about time to get the bush beans in, and I'm going to be transplanting some moonflower. So we're going to transplant the moonflower today. We're going to put it in a I don't know if I should put it in a grow bag or a container. We'll figure that out and try to figure out a spot to grow it because it is a vining plant. So let's go ahead and get to it. So I am in the process of hardening off these flowers. So while I'm here, let me go ahead and give you guys a little seedling update. So these are all of my sunflowers. I have, what do I have in here? I have a dwarf sunspot. I have a Mexican sunflower, and then I have a sunray yellow. So these are all, the two sunflowers are dwarf, and then the Mexican sunflower is very large. Scarlet flame zinnia, so I have 6 of those. Here is blanket flower, marigolds. I have some cosmos in here, and I also have some, what are those? I have some gomphrena in here. And then over here, I have some more cosmos. So this is the moonflower. It's already starting to vine, so I really want to get it out of these small cells. I have 3 of those. I have some more gomphrena in there. And that's all I have for flowers at the moment. They are doing wonderful. I'll leave them out here for maybe another hour, and then I'll pull them back into the shade so that they can get ready to go over there, some of them into the cut flower garden. It's still very hot outside, but our temperatures are starting to cool down. So I thought it would be the perfect time to sow these. I'm sowing them in my new raised bed under shade. So that's the key, to give them shade while they're growing right now because it's still so hot. Okay, there is that. Let's get to it. This is what the raised bed looks like. I have a ton of room in here to put bush beans, so we're just going to spread them kind of throughout. Off camera, I put some, what did I put over there? I put some lima beans over here. They haven't popped up. And I added some more cucumbers. These are Armenian cucumbers. And our Marketmore cucumbers popped up. I didn't even know I had an extra one over here, so we'll leave it. But 4 over there, we'll see how they do. I know 4 plants is a little much, but if they can grow well, let's let it do what it do. So I'm gonna plant these 2 packs separately. I'm gonna do my original contender that I got from Botanical Interest. I've already been growing these in this area, and then also this one from Dollar Tree over here on this side. Okay. So I have 1 more pack of these beans, so I might do a little succession sowing with these, plant a couple more in a couple weeks. Comment down below what's your favorite bean variety to grow, and does it grow well, because the contender is prolific. It's the only bean, not the only bean that I've had luck with, but it's the only bean that grows well for me. So, yep, this is my favorite bean. We will try this one. We'll do one here. So I'm happy to get these in the ground. Okay, the rest of these are broken. All right, that's it for those. We're gonna move down here a little further, and I'm gonna put these along this front area. these are perfect. Woo! Needed. Okay. I'll water those in just a few. Yeah, so I'm trying to figure out where to sow these moonflowers. I don't have a lot of space in my garden. Like, I'm slowly growing out of my little backyard area. So I'm thinking about putting it over here in this corner on this pole and letting it vine up. But I don't want it to bring spiders. Okay, y'all see this tree? I let it vine up all up in there, and there was a big old spider connected to here, from here to here, and it was a big garden spider. And I just don't want to be dealing with that. But I was gonna put it in a pot here and let it go up this pole, or put it in a pot here and let it run up this pole, because I honestly have nowhere else to put it unless I put it on my A-frame trellis, or if I put it on one of these little tomato cages. So I'm just trying to figure that out, see what I like, because I want to be able to see the flowers at nighttime if I'm in the house. Decisions. Hey, Allie girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Okay, so I had a look around of where I could possibly put this, and I'm gonna put it right over here on this trellis, like at the corner, because I'm not growing anything in this area right now, and I feel like once I plant this area up, it'll be time to pull the moonflower out. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it right on the corner, and I think that'll look so pretty at night. Just big white blooms on the corner right here. So it is gonna be in a container. So let me grab a container. So I'm gonna put the moonflower right in this corner, and it's gonna go up the trellis. It's still hardening off, so I do have 2 plants here that will give it shade so that it doesn't get fried by the Texas heat. I am gonna put it in a grow bag. I need to kind of amend the soil a little bit. Look at all my dusty grow bags. This one I believe is a 10-gallon. That's a 15-gallon, and then I have a 20-gallon over there somewhere. But I think a 10-gallon should do it. We're gonna try. Okay. So we're over here sitting down because it was just way too hot over there. I did amend the soil. I put in some perlite. I put in some bone meal. And I also put in some Garden Tone organic fertilizer. Just because the soil didn't have anything in it. And I think I'm gonna add one more handful of worm castings, and that'll be it. We're gonna go ahead and moisten this.
dream once I kept it close. It seemed so important to have it all then. I used to believe that I needed to be someone to actually be someone. Everyone else seemed to get it right, but now I'm the cool kid, all weird, not chasing superficial things, that's clear. Ooh, I've got cool friends, ditch trends, they always see through them. That's why I am rich. Though I got no money, no, no, no. I am rich. Isn't it funny, though? Looking back, all I see is signs. I'll never needed what they expected of me. All I ever needed was me to believe in my God telling me I don't want that life, or all the things you're supposed to like. But now I'm the cool kid, all weird, not chasing superficial things, that's clear. Ooh, I've got cool friends, ditch trends, they always see through them. That's why I am rich. Though I got no money, no, no, no. I am rich. Isn't it funny, though?
That was good work for today. We got those moonflowers planted. We got our beans in the ground. And that is it for today, Royals. So give me a big thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye.